Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. In this video, we're going to look at the fisherman's knot. This video is a small excerpt from the curriculum at the knot school. I hope you enjoy it. The fisherman's knot. The fisherman's knot is a type of knot known as a bend knot. Bend knots are knots used to join or tie two ropes together. The fisherman's knot is a seemingly simple knot. However, it's earned a reputation of being a reliable way to tie two ropes together. With its inherent strength and compact form, this knot has been favored by anglers and beyond for its ability to create a robust connection, instilling confidence in its reliability. The fisherman's knot is sometimes referred to as an Englishman's knot, English fisherman's knot, or the Waterman's knot. The fisherman's knot has structural similarities with the overhand knot, as it uses two overhand knots to join the lines together. It's often considered a fundamental knot for joining lines of similar diameters. To tie a fisherman's knot, take the end of one line and tie an overhand knot around the standing part of the other line. From there, take the end of the second line and tie an overhand knot around the standing part of the first line. Finally, pull the standing parts of both lines to draw the knots together and cinch them up tightly. The fisherman's knot can be found in use in a lot of different applications, in fishing, in camping, sailing, and in general application uses where a simple bend knot is required. You can find the fisherman's knot as knot number 293 on page 50 of the Ashley Book of Knots. Learning knots can be challenging and rewarding. If you'd truly like to develop skills, then I recommend joining Knot School. Knot School is the only membership-based fraternity and learning resource for learning and sharing knowledge about knots. You can claim your 14-day free trial of Knot School now and discover the easiest way to learn knots. This special offer won't last long. There really is no greater resource for learning knots. I hope to see you there.